In this lecture, we're going to talk about Kubatons. Like the expandable baton, the Kubaton is also an impact weapon, but it's much smaller, portable. It's in the form of a pin, or as small as a pin. And what it's used for is to actually strike at the different pressure points on the human body. Now, unlike the baton, the Kubaton can be used on multiple parts of the body because the striking power isn't as devastating as what you would have with an expandable baton. You can hold it in your fist and jab at different points, such as the top of the head. You can strike at the throat, the groin, different abdominal muscles, dig it into the hands, the knees, the shins, just all over the body. It comes in different designs. It can either come in a pointed design or a flat head design, as shown here. This Asp Defender Kubaton model is great in particular because you can use it to deploy pepper spray as well. So you're really getting a two-in-one package deal. Now for the pros and cons. For one, it's easily concealable. People won't even know what it is if you have it on your keychain or have it in your pocket until, of course, you pull it out and actually use it on someone. So that's one nice advantage. The other thing is that it is keychain accessible. You can throw it on your keychain so it is readily accessible when you need it. The other thing, as already mentioned, is that some models allow you to deploy pepper spray from the Kubaton as well. That's a great extra feature to have if the person is intolerant to pain. As for the downsides, it does rely on pain compliance since it's focused on attacking pressure points on the body. The other thing is that it's not great against multiple assailants. Unless you're some kind of martial arts master or whatever that knows how to use it, then you're going to have a tough time warding off multiple assailants. That's it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we'll talk about tactical pins.